Hello friends, welcome to Ru's Kitchen and Garden. Today we are going to make a very simple, easy and healthy recipe of steamed tofu. This is a spicy steamed tofu. You can also use steamed chicken instead of tofu if you would like. Instead of eating the boring steamed chicken, you can give it this twist. So this is silken tofu. As you know, we can easily find it in the supermarkets in the chiller section. So we're going to steam this tofu. Let's see what ingredients we need to make this silken tofu. This is found in the chiller section, as we all know. Okay, so here we have 2 tablespoon light soy sauce. I've got some salt here. I've got 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I've got a mixture of spring onion and coriander. This is 1 tablespoon each. We've taken the green part of the spring onion. This spring onions are from my garden. Here I've used green chili, but you can use red chili padi. In fact, use red chili padi because that's spicier and tastier. Then I've used 2 cloves of garlic, I've fine chopped. But this is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This is half a teaspoon of sugar. You can even use white sugar. This is roasted peanuts. You can even use shrimp. This is 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts. You can use 1 tablespoon of roasted shrimp. But if you're using steamed chicken, if you're making chicken, then do not use shrimp. The flavors clash. Then use peanuts. Now, I've put this pot on steam and I'm going to place the tofu inside and steam it for 6 to 8 minutes. If you're using chicken, then please steam it for the time that chicken requires to get steamed nicely. You have to drain out all the excess water when you're using tofu. If you're using chicken, then that water is flavorful. Please do not drain it out. Tofu has got no taste of its own, if you retain this water, it gets very watery and tasteless. Hence, draining this water is important. Now, transfer it to your serving bowl. Do not transfer it to some other bowl and then try to transfer it again because it's very soft and delicate, it breaks. So, the bowl you're going to serve it in, transfer the tofu in the same bowl and slice it. Now, slice it thin or thick as per your wish. Make sure you don't scratch your serving platter. Here I've put a pan on the gas flame and now I'm adding sesame oil to it. And then I'm going to, once the sesame oil is nice and hot, then I'm going to add the garlic. The oil is thick now, meaning it's still cold. Once it's hot, it gets runny and spreads all over the pan. So now this garlic I've added to the oil. My intention is not to brown the garlic, but just to make it soft and impart flavor to the sesame oil. The sesame oil has a very strong flavor, so garlic changes it. Again, I've added green chilies because I'm emptying my refrigerator. I'm going to move soon. But if you use chili padi. Then I've added the light soya sauce. I've taken 2 tablespoons, but if you want more, you can take more. If at the end, if you see it's not brown color or black color, then please add more. Then I've also added the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce into the pan. And I've given it a nice mix. Then I'm adding my half teaspoon sugar. We use only brown sugar in the house, but if you use white, go ahead and add white. Then I've added my roasted peanut powder or shrimp if you're adding shrimp, if you're making tofu. And then we've added salt to taste. Be a little judicious with salt because oyster sauce, soya sauce, everything is salty. So just be a little more careful. After this, I'm going to add the coriander and the scallions or the spring onions. And do not overcook them. They have to have a crunch. So do not overcook. Now this is very important. I've added vinegar here. I've added 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can also add black vinegar. I didn't have black vinegar, so I've added normal vinegar. So this is a very nice, sour and sweet and spicy kind of a dish. After it's done, just pour it over your tofu or your steamed chicken and enjoy it with hot steamed rice, or even you can even just eat it plain on its own. It's very yummy, it's very easy to make, and it's very healthy. Do try it and let me know if you like it. Please do like and share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications of new video. Take care and bye.